Hi traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like if you find it helpful. Okay, so in this video, we're just going to be diving deep into the Ichimoku Cloud and exploring the best Ichimoku trading strategies for beginners. So if you've ever looked at the Ichimoku Cloud and felt confused, by all the lines, don't worry, okay, because by the end of this video you'll understand how to use this powerful tool to spot trends, make better trade decisions, and take your trading to the next level. So let us jump right into it. First of all, let us start with a brief overview of what the Ichimoku Cloud actually is. Now, the Ichimoku Cloud is a technical analysis indicator that was developed by Goichi Hosoda in the 1960s. It provides a comprehensive view of the market by showing us the trend, momentum, and potential support and resistance levels all at once. As you can see, we have a lot of things on the chart, right? So the cloud itself, which is this hatched area, consists of several you know key components. Okay, like we have the Senkan span A, and we have the Senkan span B, and then we have the hatched area itself. But the entire Ichimoku system consists of a kind of component indicators, several component indicators, like the Tenkan Sen, which is called the conversion line. Okay, and this is the faster line, and it reflects the average of the highest and lowest prices over the past 9 periods. Then we have the Kijun Sen, which is called the baseline. It is the slower line, representing the average of the highest and lowest prices over the past 26 periods. Then we have the Senkan span A, which I already mentioned, and we have the Senkan span B. Both of them are called the leading span A and B, right? So these are the lines that form the actual cloud, right? This is the actual cloud, the actual Ichimoku Cloud. So span A is the average of Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen, while span B is calculated from 52 periods. Okay, then finally we have the Chikou span, which is the lagging line. Now this line shows the closing price from 26 periods ago and is useful for confirming trends. Okay, at first glance the Ichimoku Cloud can seem complicated, but it is incredibly powerful once you know how to use it. So the Ichimoku Cloud works by providing a visual representation of market trends, momentum, and possible support and resistance areas. One of the most important things to understand is the cloud itself, okay, formed by the Sekau span A and the Senkau span B. The space between these two lines is what we refer to as the cloud. If the price is above the cloud, the market is in an uptrend, like what we can see happening here. If the price is below the cloud, the market is in a downtrend, like what we can see happening here. And if the price is inside the cloud, the market is considered to be in a neutral or sideways trend. Okay, so now the Tenkan span, or rather the Tenkan Sen, right, the Tenkan Sen and the Kijun Sen lines give us additional cues. If the Tenkan Sen, which is the red line, is above the Kijun Sen, which is the blue line, it's a sign of upward momentum. Okay, and if the Tenkan Sen is below the Kijun Sen, right, it indicates downward momentum. Now that we understand the basics, let us talk about the best Ichimoku trading strategies for beginners. All right, first of all, let's talk about trend confirmation with the cloud. The first strategy I want to talk about is trend confirmation using the cloud. Okay, this is one of the easiest and most effective ways to use Ichimoku. When the price is above the cloud, super easy. All right, when the price is above the cloud, you only want to consider buy trades, and when the price is below the cloud, you should focus on sell trades. All right, the cloud acts as the dynamic support and resistance zone. So if the price is above the cloud, and starts pulling back toward the cloud, look for it to bounce off the cloud for a potential buy signal. All right, similarly, if the price is below the cloud and starts to pull up towards it, you look for a potential bounce, like what we can see happen here, for a potential sell signal. This strategy is simple but powerful, okay, and it helps you align your trades with the overall trend of the market. Secondly, let's talk about the Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen crossovers. Okay, another great strategy is the Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen crossover. This is a very popular strategy for Ichimoku traders. The idea is to watch for the Tenkan Sen, right, the faster line, to cross above the Kijun Sen, which is the slower line, and when the price is above the cloud. Okay, that crossover should happen when the price is already above the cloud. Okay, this signals a potential buy. On the other hand, when the Tenkan Sen crosses below the Kijun Sen, right, with the price below the cloud, it signals a potential sell. So a crossover in the direction of the overall trend as indicated by the cloud can give you a high probability trade setup. Okay, and finally, let's talk about the Chikou span confirmation. The Chikou span, which is this green line, or it's a lagging line, it's an excellent tool for confirming trends. Okay, after identifying a potential trend direction with the cloud and the Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen crossovers, you can use the Chikou span to confirm the trend. Now, if the Chikou span is above the price, from 26 periods ago in an uptrend, it confirms the trend is strong. But if it is below the price in a downtrend, it confirms that the market is still in a downtrend. Okay, this confirmation from Chikou span adds more weight to your trade decisions and can help you avoid false signals. So to put all these strategies into practice, here's a simple approach. Look for the price to be above or below the cloud. Remember, the cloud is this hatched area, okay, to determine the overall trend. Then use the Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen crossovers for entry signals in the direction of the trend, meaning for a sell trend, price must be below the cloud, and then you look for a bearish crossover, the Tenkan Sen crossing below the Kijun Sen, below the cloud. All right, then for a buy trend, the price must be above the cloud, and then you look for the Tenkan Sen crossing above the Kijun Sen, above the cloud. All right, then you confirm the trend with the Chikou span, all right, to ensure that you are not trading against the market momentum. Okay, in a buy trade, the Chikou span will be above the price. In a sell trend, the Chikou span will be below the price. All right, now to wrap things up, the Ichimoku Cloud is one of the most powerful tools for traders, and with these Ichimoku trading strategies, you will have everything you need to get started. Even a complete beginner can take advantage of these easy to use strategies, and you can start applying them in your demo account first. Okay, it's important that you try out new strategies in a demo account first before you move to a live account, once you are confident enough and once you have recorded consistent success, okay, on your demo account before you then move to your live account. All right, so whether you are looking for trend confirmation, entry signals, or trend confirmation with the lagging line, right, the Ichimoku Cloud offers it all in one neat package. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tips and strategies. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to see more content on Ichimoku and other indicators. Thank you for watching and happy trading. See you in the next video, traders.